Oh, you see, broadcast failed again. All right, well, I got fist cuffs, rare, a good old fashioned beatdown like for an assassination. I got breach uncommon. I think those are actual ammo or like a suit. Some Warzone boost, Gambit boost, random weapon, fuel rod, sword ghost, random vehicle, bunch of other little shits. Alright, so that was. Whoa, I got a Tundra Gun Goose certification, bro. Rare. Oh, that one's cool. I'm recording it on my phone, dude. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube later. Not yet. It's weird. Like, I still have over 40 grand to go. No, Callie, the bigger one, too. I'm gonna cut it out. Nice. Hell yeah, Ted's the shit. I thought about going for the Black Friday, or not Black Friday, but the Friday the 13th and getting a Ted tattoo. Oh, nice. I just got a new visor. Torchbearer. It's like a orange, yellow, green. I also got Wrath certification for a new Wrath light tank. Yeah. Chameleon fucking dog tags. Yeah. Where is it? Right there. Or chamomile. Oh, I got a new helmet, bro. Goblin Erlington. And a legendary DMR. No, that's really what I want are some weapon skins, bro. Classic DMR, battle rifle, distraction uncommon. I got a new gamer tag with the distraction face, the face with the tongue out. Yeah, Team Cat Dog. All right, here's my last 10 grand. Oh, insufficient. Did I spend too much? Oh, I already spent all of it. All right, well that was it.